3 seconds after this, Mike wished he had never opened his eyes. He was enjoying a peaceful bath until a tiger was staring right at him. He hid beneath the bubbles, but every breath gave away his position. Thinking fast, he threw shower gel into the tiger's eyes and ran. He thought he'd escaped, but he was wrong. The entire cruise ship was crawling with hungry tigers. People were running for their lives. Mike finally found the crew. Instead of helping, they shoved him back toward the beasts. With nowhere left to run, Mike tricked a tiger just long enough to lock himself inside a steel cage. Safe for now. If you were trapped on that ship, where would you hide? Because